Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not showing in notification settings. How to fix it. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and tap on Reset Location and Privacy. Tap on it and reset it. If this steps does not work, go to your settings again. Tap on General again. Now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. This time tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. Tap and reset all settings. Now check if the WhatsApp is listed. If this also doesn't fix, the final step is to uninstall WhatsApp. Hold it and tap on Delete app and install it again. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.